Hi, this is the TCL 40 SE and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail accounts on this device. So let's launch Gmail application, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the Manage Accounts on this device section, because we should first log out from Google account, and after that to log out from we will automatically log out from Gmail application. Then just tap to remove account and confirm your action. Are you sure? Yes. If you use some protect methods, you should enter it. Now in Google account settings, we just successfully log out from the Google accounts. That's why we just automatically, let's go to the application and we could see that we are automatically log out from Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.